good, YouTube? This is my first video of 2019. I don't even know where to start this one or to wrap my head around with what I want to talk about. I have a lot of stuff I want to share with you guys, but I don't want to put it out yet. Instead of talking about it, I'd rather kind of be about it. So stay tuned. Today, I am using my G7X, my Canon 80D. I have sent back and forth to Canon like 5 times. It's literally the 5th time it's gone to Canon. I sent it back yesterday. So we'll see what's going on. I've had so many audio issues. I'm just so over it. I don't know what to do with the camera. So we're going to figure it out after this next trip with Canon. But this thing will do for now. Today, me and Broski, I got the pit bikes in the back of my truck. We are going to OCP first to stud our tires up. And then we are racing an ice flat track tonight in Atlantic City in New Jersey. So it's going to be pretty interesting. I've never ridden on the ice before. I'm excited to figure it out. I don't know. I got to go put our wheels on, the studs in. It's all new to me. So yeah, let's get a move on today. Let me give you guys a little sneak peek. I got these in the other day. These are all new stickers for you guys. We got little ones, we got big ones, we got medium-sized ones. We restocked these circle ones in all sizes. We got some big ones down here too. So yeah, that's just the first of many things that are going to be rolling into my shop pretty soon. We are stocking up. I know a lot of people have been asking when's the site getting restocked. The site's been pretty empty for the most part. This is like literally all I have. I'll literally just show you guys. There's very few things in these boxes, select sizes and all. It's been nice to get a little break from shipping stuff out constantly, but I'm a little excited to get back to it, and I'm sure you guys are going to be excited with the news I have to bring to you within the next coming probably month. I'd give it about 4 weeks. You guys will know exactly what it is once it's time. The Delp site will be fully stocked up again. All types of bangers on there. The bike's loaded up already. Give you guys a little cold start. OCP, we made it. We got Alex carrying everyone's Joes. I'll get the door for you. We got everyone studding up the tires. Yeah. I'll introduce everyone in my video.
Yo, you ready to get put in the wall?
Let me shut the door. What was that?
You ready to get put in the wall by a fat old man?
Yeah. we'll get it on GoPro if it happens.
If it happens, might be catchy, right?
This is the action we got going on. I took my wheels off the other day. Brought them down here to John. John ordered us up some studs.
Cold cutters.
We got them overnight. We'll let you guys get a look at them. Can't focus on it. They're so small. But they literally just screw right in your tire. So we got the KLX all done. Check it out. She is all studded up. Even got a new number plate on there, because this one broke. I should like put this up in the shop somewhere, see if Evan notices, like next week or something. Boom. My pit bike, back together, perfectly fine. Broski's pit bike, last night, I said put your parts in this box. This is what he leaves me with. 2 spacers, 2 axles, 1 chain tensioner, and 1 axle nut. So we are missing a chain tensioner and an axle nut. Congrats, broski. Shabam, we got the pit bikes all done. Tires are studded up. So it's time to load these bad boys up and make our way down Atlantic City. You boys excited or what? It's the big wheels versus small wheels today. We are pulling into the showboat. I'll give you guys a little rundown. In Atlantic City this weekend, there's a motorcycle convention. I'm not too sure what the whole 9 is on it. The whole OCP setup's here, obviously, because they sell motorcycles. So we're gonna go check it out before we head over to the hall where the ice race is. What's going on? Not much. Just walking around, actually. See what's going on. Oh, there's Scott right here.
Came through the back door?
Yeah.
All right, good. So I was just coming out to get you guys passes.
Well, we snuck in, I guess, huh?
Oh, yeah, I just seen your thing. 6-inch trailer. Then he had. Who's ready for some ice racing?
I'm ready.
Yeah.
I was asking the vlog what bike I should get next. What do you think? There's too many options, right?
Go back to a 2-smoke again?
I don't like, dude, I'm not a fan of a 2-stroke because you can't be lazy on them.
Alright, so FC 350.
Yeah, I'm thinking that. Is that what's right here? That's a 450. Broski in the cut. Making an entrance. Let's go. Let's go. We gotta hurry up. Yeah, hurry up. Just pull right there.
Yo, you brought YouTube?
Yeah, I brought YouTube, cuz.
I'm guessing you're racing?
Yep.
What's your name? Because they didn't give me a list, so I'm just gonna start.
Donzi, D-O-N-Z-I. Sherby. Is this the pits or what?
Yeah, it should be.
I guess we'll go sign up before we unload and stuff.
Yeah, I figured shit out.
A little echo in here.
YouTube?
This is my friend Harry.
I
like you guys.
Man,
Yo, Luke, check the spikes out. Check our spikes out, yeah.
look at you.
Oh,
Working man.
yo, we got black.
Sherby, check it out, spikes, dude.
I should have known better. Donzi was gonna get black spikes. That is sick.
No, that's what they just got.
Yeah, that's hot.
We only got the left side though, because we're only turning left.
You only got the left side?
Yeah, left and center.
Yo, we should take off our left foot peg, honestly, dude. So we can really. We're gonna scrape.
Nah, we're not scraping, dude. We're on tall pit bikes. I'm scraping.
The #1 trophy down the aisle.
Whoa. There's all kinds of bikes and quads and check it out, people.
Damn.
Stuff's cool. You nervous,
I'm
broski?
so excited right
You're
now.
excited?
Dude, my heart's racing.
Yeah, dude.
It's like really not that slippery.
No, it's not.
Just know YouTube. Just know it ain't gonna be nice and clear. There's gonna be some blood after the pit bike racing.
You can visually see the track.
Yep. No ruts, no jumps, and no whoops, no turn, just no berms.
Practice.
Oh, there's no practice? We're just sending it?
Yeah, there's no practice.
That's cool.
So afraid to get tear up the ice.
Yeah. No practice for us, boys.
Practice, Dons.
And before the other hall was built.
There you go, Luke. That's how you do it.
Sorry, Pete. I made a mistake.
Yeah, Luke held the pressure washer too close to his seat and ripped his cover.
Cook of the fucking day, Johnny.
Alright, let's get these bad Larrys out. The professionals of ice racing lent us some dollies because they said you will wear the spikes out, pushing them in.
That's what they say. I mean, we'll find out.
Sponsor list, Luke?
That's my #1. That's my #2. That's actually my real #1, but that's my #1 every day. It's like Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You know how it is.
A little bit bigger. You don't even need no spikes.
Yeah, right? You, that's all acceleration right there, huh?
That is the biggest sprocket I've ever seen. Give or take 70 teeth.
You think you could wheelie?
That's way more than 70. You think? I don't know. That one over there on the 450 is probably like a 52. That's probably like 200. You boys ready or what?
Are you ready? That's the real question.
I'm ready, baby. I got Donzi's Loretta's pants on. I'm feeling frisky for the. I don't know. I can't run.
For the fans.
That's why.
There's fans. There's fans here tonight, Luke.
Oh my God. Fans, I love fans. Fans make. They just make me go.
New angles for the vlog. We're on the chin today.
This kid just snapped me. He's bringing 10 people to come cheer us on.
Look at that. We got. There's some people filling in the crowd.
to see. That gets the. Oh, I'm taking this jacket off. I'm getting hot. I'm getting hot.
Warming up, Broski.
Trying to scare my opponents. That's all I need to win.
You can't even hear my pit bike over Deegan's. Sherby, bro, what do you think about this? We got big wheels in the 110 class, and now you're right side studding your wheels.
Yo, he's got a clutch, big wheels, and more studs. I'm #1 for a reason. #1 cheater at large.
Yeah.
Gotta catch him. I mean, I got a clutch too, just a get lined up.
Don't slip. Oh, I almost made me fall. New territory, dog. Yeah.
Where's my outro song? Or my intro song? Throw some Weezy on when I come out in the ring.
Yo! this is me. This is me. They're calling me out. Woo! That's my best friend! Deegan! What'd you say to me?
On to these numbers.
Bro, I don't know about this. God damn! He's racing with the pros, dude. How's your dad's performance, bro? Second place.
Second place. He's so pumped right now, dude. That is awesome.
A spectacular crash. Spectacular.
Oh, not good. Terrible.
What happened?
You never should put a rookie on a pro bike in a pro class.
Yeah.
With no training. Terrible idea that was. I think that's my last speedway race tonight.
Oh. I'm scared. I don't know. Gear I want. What are you guys doing?
Second. I'm gonna try second.
It was sick.
Thanks for the angles, bro.
Way faster.
What?
Way faster.
Next time,
I could go faster?
Yeah, y'all can go faster.
Okay.
and just hold it with.
That wasn't bad for our first time. I don't think
It was like
so.
all of our first time except for the guy who's winning.
That was a cheater.
Yeah, who won?
The guy who ran factory 50.
I got like second to last.
We got beat by a 50?
Yeah, we got beat by a 50.
Lucas got the best wheelie on the ice.
Yeah,
though.
that was a sick fucking.
Yeah, I saw that. GoPro probably got that too.
We got someone going backwards.
Yo, he riding easy. He riding easy. Yeah. Yo, when he rides with you guys, he rocks the house. H, take him down. Broski in the wall. Oh, that's Donzi. Oh, me head down. The wall right off the. I gave you the benefit of the doubt. I was like, dude. Oh, broski hit the wall. Dude. Oh no, that's done. Yo, so I tried. Yo, listen, I tried sliding a little faster, and then I caught traction and went straight. I couldn't turn. Blocking him a little bit. You ain't blocking nothing. That dude did nothing but rock you. Where's he at? The dude's like 55 years old. He's collecting 401k in his pension right now, fucking you up. We got nothing to say. Yo, he's. I don't know what to say. We're gonna have to train and come back.
Get on the bike.
Get on the bike. I'll
Take
bring
it
it
out
out.
there.
You got it.
Here, you want. I don't pick your girlfriend.
You pick. Pick a guy. Just pick a guy. You! Come on, let's go! Come on out there, let's go!
You gotta tell the camera something before you go out.
Alright, man. What's your name?
Eric Collins, I'm from Cape May, New Jersey, and this is badass.
You're going down, buddy.
On the bike, man. Watch the track.
Second? Yeah, second on the night. That's what's up, Ed. What do you think? First time ice racing? Hang on, it's out of focus.
We're coming back next year.
It's in focus.
We're coming back next year.
We are all definitely gonna need to come back. We're gonna need to improve. We all need to improve a little bit. I say we all have a little bit of room. Sherby, what do you think? You saw us from the outside.
Definitely learned a lot, so we know more.
We're not gonna know what we look like until I go to edit this.
We're going home and watching YouTube
Yeah,
videos.
we're gonna need some practice.
I'm going home, using my pond, I'm gonna practice.
Yeah, we're coming over. Yeah, dude. Yeah, let's go load these bad Larrys up. Yeah. What else you need? Celebratory burnout. Sparky!
That's how you do AC, boys.
Oh, safe! Damn! You just went down! Yo! That was dope! Yo, do it in the gas, see if it catches on fire.
Go, go! Ah, come on, get her in there. This is weak.
What the? Bro, what just happened right there when you went down?
Practice on the concrete.
Dude, your chain snapped and blew the case out.
I can tell you what happened.
In the-
Digging did not cost me enough. $50 was not enough for digging it. So let's fucking destroy something.
Oh my
So Dad's
God.
gotta put 500 up. That's fucking digging.
Dude, I'm in the parking lot on the way home. Oh, I'm out. Dude, I cannot believe you just tried. It's already leaking oil.
Fucking another zero. We just had to spend the last night off $50. Asshole.
Dude, you can JB weld it. You got the race on. Alright guys, well, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. It was a fun time, ice racing with everybody. Shout out everybody that is here. It was a fun time. So if you like this one, give it a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe, and we'll catch you guys next time. Peace. Alright, I just want to show the vlog. It's already over, but we came outside, and it is snowing out. Take a look.